Hey there viewers, and welcome back to TRW. I'd like to say thank you very much for helping us get to 100 subscribers. I'm really proud of that. Thank you so much for supporting and watching our content. I got a quick and easy job for us today. This one is an apartment that I'm renting right now, and on today's episode we're going to be working on this shower. It's leaking. Whenever you turn the shower on, it starts leaking from right behind this plate, and so we're going to take this all off, see why it's leaking. Hopefully it just needs some Teflon tape on the back of it. We'll Teflon tape that back up, and then we'll put it back in. This is a brand new remodeled bathroom, and this is what it looks like. And I'll show you guys the leak. I don't know if you can see that in there. Starting to drip. So you see the drip coming down. It was pouring out a little earlier. I think as it expands, the water just starts dripping down like that. I don't know if you can see it. But yeah, it definitely has a leak coming from the back pipe where it tees in with Teflon tape. So all we're going to do is we're going to remove this whole pipe out, re-Teflon tape it, stick it back in, and see if that leak stops. See if you can get a better shot with that water drip coming in from right there. You see it? It's the water leaking. Let me go get a light so you guys can see it. Getting a light so you guys can see the water leaking out of it. You can see it right there, reflecting off of it. It's dripping in the back. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove this whole entire pipe that's into the wall. We're going to re-Teflon it. You can see the drip right there coming out. And then put it back in and hopefully it stops leaking. So this bathroom was just remodeled not too long ago. Fix that drip. So if you have a dripping faucet in your shower, you'll know how to do it. Because if you leave it, if you don't attend to it right away, it's going to start eating up the drywall and putting mold back there. So let's get to it. These are the tools that we're going to be using. Teflon tape and some pliers. But again, I would really like to say thank you to everybody that's watching our content, hitting the like, subscribe, and leaving comments. We really appreciate that. It helps out a lot. And we really appreciate you getting us to 100. Hopefully we can get to 1,000. Okay, so we're going to get started on removing this shower head. What you're going to do is you're going to remove this trim piecing back here. It's just spring tensioned only, so you got to just grab it and pull it back. And that will come all the way down. And it just has a little clip right here for spring tension. That's why you get the spring tension right there. It just goes on this really tight. Now we're going to get pliers. And we're going to put it as close as we can here, and we're going to turn it so this whole entire thing starts turning out. And then we're going to take the whole pipe out and reseal it. Alright, so we're going to get pliers. You normally would have to get pliers to loosen this up, but look at this. It's not even tight. Not even tight. So what we're going to do is we're just going to unscrew it all. It wasn't even in there. How shoddy of craftsman work is that? They didn't even put it in all the way. So if you had just left that unattended, it'd just continue eating up the drywall, messing everything up. So all we're going to do now is we're just going to get Teflon tape, and we're going to re-Teflon tape this whole entire pipe and stick it in there and make sure it's tightened down this time. Like I said, this is a quick and easy one. This is for 100 subscribers, so we really appreciate supporting and watching our content. And all you got to do is get your Teflon tape, put it on there, wrap it around twice, and then just snap it off. So it should look like this. Now we're just going to take it and line it right back up into the hole. Okay, so just continue going around in circles with it until it tightens up and snug, and then you're going to get your pliers. You're going to try to go around one more time just to make sure it seats correctly, and then we'll turn the water on. So that's hand tight right there. And now we'll get the pliers. We'll go around one more time to make sure that it's nice and tight in there, and then we'll turn the water back on to make sure there's no leaks. I'm just putting a towel on here so I don't scar or mark up the rod. But there we go. Make sure it's straight. Put it on, and we'll test for leaks now. So turn the water back on. See if there's any leaks in there. We'll give it a second here. Make sure there's no leaks. Alright, so the water's been running for a minute now. I got a light here so you guys can see. There's no more leaks there. See if I can get you in a better angle here. Can't really get you a full shot because everything's right in the way. I'll try to get you guys in there as fast as possible. As you can see, there's no more water driplets coming out. No water coming down from the bottom. It's nice and dry. There you go, that's a better shot of it right there. Nice and dry in there now. So that's all you need to do to fix a shower head that's leaking water from behind the cover plate. And then all you gotta do is just push the cover plate back on, and it's back in position, and you can't even tell anything was done. And that is complete. So just turn the water off. No more leak. Shouldn't get no mold back there. And we fixed the problem already. Thank you for joining me on this quick, easy bathroom shower fix. I really appreciate, again, you guys liking and subscribing to our video and our channel. We got some new stuff coming your way, so please stay tuned for that, and remember to continue liking and subscribing. Until the next time, thanks for watching.